Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I have a quick little hairstyle for you. Since I've shared my little clip-in ponytail, I've gotten a ton of questions on Instagram on how I put it in, and so I thought I would just quickly pop on here and film a quick video for you guys to show you how I get this look. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after living in a bun basically the entire week. So we're gonna start off by sectioning off our bangs and take a look at this lovely stripe of grays that I have in the top of my head. And I'm using my daughter's Moana brush to basically detangle my hair, and we're gonna try to slick that back into a ponytail as much as possible and cry over the amount of gray hairs that have accumulated over the last couple of years. Then after it is slicked back, I'm going to take gel and kind of smooth out any of the little baby hairs that are sticking out. And I am going to dampen my ponytail with my spray bottle, comb it out, and then braid that down. And then we're going to wet our bangs and slick those back and pin that down with a bobby pin. This is going to help give you that parted look while not messing up the slick back ponytail. Then I'm going to grab my Foxy Locks clip-in ponytail in the shade Brondie, and I'm going to slide that in and wrap the band around the current elastic band, and then use the hair to hide that band. And that is it. So that is it, honestly. Quick, easy, simple, bang, bang, boom, you're done. This is actually like day 5 hair, and I've been going to the gym every day this week. So I'm probably well due for a wash. I'm well due for a wash, but if I can stretch it for as long as possible, I will. Also, it is a great way to soothe the itch I have been having to straighten my hair. If you didn't know this, I am challenging myself to go the entire year without using heat on my hair. Now, there are probably gonna be days where I do straighten my hair, but as long as it's not once a week, every week, for the entire year, I am good. I am currently like a month and a half in on this heatless journey, and I want to say I've been doing pretty well so far. I am getting the itch to straighten my hair, but I think I'll probably do that around April, which is when I usually go to get a trim or a haircut. So yeah, this has really been satisfying that itch for straight hair. And like, let's be real, I'm a mom. I don't have time to style my hair all the time, so even when I do straighten it, it just ends up in a ponytail like this anyway. So why not just cut the heat and go straight to the style? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more heatless hairstyles or more curly hairstyles, let me know down below in the comment section, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!